to change password in Instagram. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can change or update your password in your Instagram. For that, you will have to open your Instagram application on your device. Once you open the Instagram application, on the home page, you will find profile icon at the bottom of the screen. Click on the profile icon. You will reach to your profile page. Here, click on that 3 horizontal lines at the top right to open the menu, where you will find settings and privacy option. Click on it and you will be taken to the settings area. In the settings area, locate the account center and click on it. Here, scroll down and under account setting, look for password and security option. Once you find it, click on it and you will be redirected to another section. Here you will find change password option. Click on it. Select your Instagram account. In this page, first enter your current password, then enter a new password in the second box. Again, retype the new password in the third box to confirm. Make sure you type strong and unique password including numbers, letters and special characters. Once you have completed these steps, click on change password option at the bottom. It will take some time to load and you have successfully changed your Instagram password. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.